Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on how to add CSS into our HTML document. And right now we'll be discussing about the external CSS. With an external style sheet, you can change the look of an entire website by changing just one file. Each HTML page must include a reference to the external style sheet file inside the link element inside the head section. For example, external styles are defined within the link element inside the head section of your HTML page. So quickly, let me do that for you. Now let's create a file right here. Create a folder. Call it anything you want, but I will call it good. I'll call it go, or call it cool. Yes. So inside this cool folder, I want to create a file which is do. I'll create a file which is do.css. Inside this do.css file right here, this do.css file, I'm now going to open it with our VS Code. Now let's right click and open it with our VS Code. So when I open it with our VS Code again, inside here, I haven't used it yet. Let's write h1. Let's select our h1, h2, and h3, and give everything color. Give it color red. Now save your document. Get back to your HTML code. As you can see, our HTML code right here is not having any name. We don't give it any style yet, right? Now let's see how it looks. Can you see it's having this plain something? Now to link our external do.css file, definitely we have to, inside our head section right here, we are going to use the link element. This link element is going to contain two attributes, the rel attribute and the href attribute, and the href attribute is going to be the one that is going to contain our file name. So let's reload our document first. Can you see it's not working yet? So now let's give it our do.css file. We are going to enter the file. We have a file. The name of our file is cool. So let's call our file cool. Inside our cool file, we are having do.css file. Now we are having it inside our href. Now reload. Can you see our red color which we specify inside our do.css file is now refreshing? Let's now say we give it another style again. Let's say we give it border, or give it text align center. When you give it text align center, let's reload your document. Can you see it's going to work? Let's now say, for instance, now the name mistakenly changed suddenly. Maybe you change it to another thing. Maybe you change it to LL. Now let's get back to our document, our file here, our document here, and reload. Can you see it's no more working again? Make sure that the name right here is pertaining with the name you specify inside your document. Now this file is going to, you can change this file to LL. It's going to work now. Can you see? Now it's working now. That's how you can use it. And also, if you are using Piso again, let me explain something again. Something you have to notice whenever you are using styling and you are using border. Let's use border or width. Let's use border on Piso solid. This is another property. Let's reload our document now. Can you see? We don't have this yet, right? The reason why we don't have this yet is because this is inside our do file. Now let's open our file again. Let's open our file again. Close this file because we don't have it anymore. Let's open our LL file and right click and place this. Save it. Save this and reload. Can you see we are having our border now, right? Now inside this place, let's say for instance now you write 10 Piso. You now give it a space like this, or 1 Piso. Anything you write, don't give it a space like that. It will not work. Or else you clear the space inside it like this. Then your border or anything you specify is going to work. Can you see? But if you give it space, even no matter what you write there, it will never work. Let's say you write 1, it will never work. Let's reload our document so you can see. Can you see it's not working? But when you clear it, when you clear the space between the Piso and the number, can you see it's working now? So please try this every time you want to, because practice makes perfect. If you don't do this, nobody will do that for you. Let's say for instance now you remove this rel style sheet right here, it's not going to work again. Let's redo it. Can you see? But when you bring it back, it's going to work. Let's bring it back. Can you see it's working now? So that's what I want to show you. Anwar akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys next time in our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much. And that's how we do external linking to the external linking of CSS file into our HTML.